Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished doing a revalve and custom build on a set of 2022 GasGas MC450 suspension. This was set up to our JBI motocross spec. This rider is out back east in Maryland. On the front forks, we did our JBI Suspension Pro Fork setting that maintains the fork still being an air fork. It is also available as a do-it-yourself install kit. Details on both the revalve and the DIY kit can be found at ridejbi.com. The shock was revalved as well to a matching motocross setting. And as you can see, the customer elected to have a few coatings done as well. Starting with the fork lugs received a Cerakote graphite black coating. The inner tubes got the JBI DLC coat, and the upper tubes got the JBI Foshima coating. The shock body also got a matching Cerakote graphite black. The shock was upgraded with the JBI Bladder kit. The customer previously had installed this KTM Power Parts extra preload adjuster. We had previously done a custom build for this same customer for his GasGas that he does FMX riding on. Those featured a blood red upper fork tube and our chameleon coated lower tubes. It was quite a cool looking setup. For his motocross bike, he wanted to go with more of a factory / kit look. The Foshima coating for the upper tubes is a great option for tubes that are used and have some signs of wear. Reason being is the Kashima Coat facility. That is the other brown coating on fork tubes. They will only accept tubes that are brand new or in like new condition. And again, if they're not absolutely perfect, they will not accept them. So for people that have used tubes and they want to get the same look / aesthetic as the Kashima Coat, the JBI Foshima Coat is a great option to achieve that look. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.